Samantha Ruth Prabhu has officially begun a new chapter in her life. The actress tied the knot with filmmaker Raj Nidimoru on Monday, putting an end to weeks of speculation. Samantha shared the joyful news with fans through a heartfelt Instagram post, giving a glimpse of her serene, intimate wedding ceremony. In her post, Samantha shared tender moments from her wedding, wearing a stunning red silk sari with golden embellishments. She looked radiant, surrounded by tradition and love. Her post was simple yet beautiful, with the date 1st December 2025 marking this special day. The ceremony took place at the Isha Foundation's Linga Bhairavi Temple in Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu, where Samantha and Raj exchanged rings and offered prayers before starting their life together. But even as fans celebrated Samantha's new beginnings, her ex-husband, Naga Chaitanya, found himself caught in the spotlight thanks to the timing of his latest social media post. On the very same day Samantha married Raj, Naga Chaitanya shared a still from his show Dhoot, marking its 2-year anniversary. He wrote, "Hush Dhoot is a show that proved that if as an actor you make a choice based in creativity and honesty and you give it your best shot, people will connect. They will receive and give you back that energy. Thank you. 2 years of Dhoot. Love to the team that made this happen." While the post was meant to celebrate Dhoot, fans quickly turned the comments section into a topic of discussion about Samantha's wedding. Some commented, "You lost Diamond," while others tagged him to inform him about his ex-wife's marriage. However, Naga Chaitanya's supporters were quick to defend him. One fan wrote, "To the people who are saying without Sam you are nothing." Samantha herself said that without his support she can't sustain in the industry in the initial days of her career. As for Samantha and Raj, their journey began on the set of The Family Man 2, where Samantha delivered one of her career-defining performances. The two later collaborated again for Citadel, Honey Bunny, and rumors of their relationship began to swirl as they were spotted together at various events. Samantha and Raj's love story is one of growth, change, and new beginnings. As they start this new chapter together, we wish them all the best. Smriti Mandhana and Palash Muchal were set to marry on 23 November 2025, but their wedding plans hit a roadblock. The couple postponed the ceremony, citing Smriti's father's ill health. While this explanation seemed straightforward, things quickly took an unexpected turn on social media, sparking wild speculation among fans. After the wedding delay, fans noticed something strange. Several of Smriti's teammates removed their earlier posts celebrating the wedding. Even Smriti herself started deleting pictures with Palash, keeping only a birthday post for him. She also untagged herself from their engagement video, which made people start wondering what's really going on. As the posts disappeared, rumors began to swirl, with some suggesting that Palash might have been involved in cheating. These rumors started circulating right after the wedding postponement, though neither Smriti nor Palash has confirmed anything. The speculation intensified when UP Warriors player Kranti Gaud shared a video related to infidelity on her Instagram story. Fans quickly connected the dots, assuming it had something to do with Palash. Tough we at Zoom TV can't verify the posts, but it didn't stop there. Team India pacer Renuka Singh Thakur also added fuel to the fire by posting a cryptic quote on her Instagram story. It read, "If something leaves your life, a person, a job, a chapter, trust the divine precision behind it. Shiva is the lord of destruction but never of chaos. Whatever he removes, he does for your liberation. What seems like loss today will reveal itself as protection tomorrow." Though Renuka didn't mention Smriti or Palash directly, fans couldn't help but draw connections between the timing of the post and Smriti's social media behavior. Was Renuka referring to the ongoing drama? We may never know for sure. Then, on 28 November 2025, things took another twist. Both Smriti and Palash updated their Instagram bios with the same emoji. The matching bios instantly caught fans' attention, but neither of them has clarified the reason behind it. With all these changes, speculation is at an all-time high. Are Smriti and Palash still together, or is something bigger happening behind the scenes? For now, fans are left to guess, and only Smriti and Palash know the truth. Stay tuned for more updates on this ongoing story. Actor Ranveer Singh has found himself in hot water after his appearance at the closing ceremony of the International Film Festival of India in Goa. During the event, he performed a mimicry of a scene from the hit film Kantara Chapter 1, but this impression has sparked major criticism. In his performance, Ranveer mimicked the iconic Chaundi sequence, a sacred part of the Kantara film, where the character of goddess Chamundi plays a central role. However, his portrayal has been described as insulting by many. Ranveer referred to the character of Chaundi as a female ghost and performed the character's mimicry on stage, complete with crossed eyes, tongue sticking out, and his signature primordial scream. The backlash was immediate. The Hindu Janjagriti Samiti (HJS) filed a police complaint against Ranveer, claiming he insulted goddess Chamundadevi, the deity of the sacred procession in the film. According to reports, HJS representatives Pramod Tuyekar and Dilip Shetty submitted a memorandum to the Panji police station, accusing Ranveer of hurting the religious sentiments of Hindus. They said, Chamundi Daiv is considered a sacred family deity of the Tulu community, and depicting or describing the deity in a derogatory manner amounts to disrespect. The HJS further warned that such actions could disturb public peace and spark resentment. They have demanded a public apology from Ranveer Singh, urging him to refrain from such remarks in the future. Ranveer has finally addressed the controversy and wrote, "My intention was to highlight Rishabh's incredible performance in the film. Actor to actor, I know how much it would take to perform that particular scene in the way that he did, for which he has my utmost admiration. I have always deeply respected every culture, tradition and belief in our country. If I've hurt anyone's sentiments, I sincerely apologize." On the work front, Ranveer Singh is all set for the release of his upcoming film Dhurandhar, directed by Aditya Dhar, hitting cinemas on 5th December. The film also stars R. Madhavan, Sara Arjun, Akshay Khanna, Arjun Rampal, and Sanjay Dutt. Samantha Ruth Prabhu and Raj Nidhimoru have officially tied the knot. After months of rumors and speculation, the couple made their relationship official on 1st December 2025 with a beautiful, intimate wedding at the Ling Bhairavi temple inside the Isha Yoga Center. Samantha looked absolutely radiant in a red bridal sari, while Raj complimented her perfectly in a white kurta pajama and a gold Nehru jacket. But while fans were quick to shower the couple with love, one thing stood out: Samantha's giant diamond ring. The ring was a showstopper. The cut and clarity made it a truly unique piece, and fans were quick to notice it. Here's where things get interesting. If you scroll back through Samantha's Instagram, you'll find that she had already worn the same ring earlier this year. On 13th February 2025, Samantha shared a close-up picture, clearly showing the large diamond on her finger. Fans immediately started to speculate. One fan wrote, "Am I the only one who feels she's engaged?" While another commented, "Finally, smile is back." Clearly, the ring had fans talking long before the wedding. Whether or not Samantha and Raj secretly got engaged earlier in the year, one thing is clear: the ring is a symbol of their love and the start of their new journey together. It's a timeless piece that stole the show at their wedding, and fans can't stop talking about it. So, what do you think of Samantha's stunning diamond? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates on your favorite celebrities.